Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track or the section you want to control. Make sure clipping isn't already present. Once selected, open Effect then Compressor, because that's where you shape dynamics. Set threshold around -20 dB and ratio about 4:1 to catch louder peaks. Use preview to listen. Makeup gain can restore perceived level after compression, so enable it if needed. You'll get immediate control over peaks while retaining soft detail. Adjust threshold or ratio slightly to taste. Once done with basics, focus on attack and release. Set attack between 0 and 30 ms to let transients through, then set release between 100 and 500 ms so the compressor breathes without pumping. Make sure to choose a soft knee for smooth onset or a hard knee for aggressive control, because that changes character. Also use makeup gain sparingly to match perceived loudness. Compare compressed versus bypassed repeatedly. You want consistent tone and presence, not just louder audio. Finish by applying the compressor and then normalize or manually trim peaks. Normalize to about -1 dB for safe headroom. Once exported, listen through different speakers or earbuds to confirm consistent levels and no distortion. Make sure metadata and file format are correct. If you hear pumping, breathing, or unnatural artifacts, increase the release time, reduce the ratio, or raise the threshold so the compressor works less aggressively. This fix usually removes unwanted movement while keeping the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.